Welcome guys, welcome back to another video guys. As this morning I wake up and I see this on my phone. My daughter sent it to me. I have to put it out to show each and everyone how God is good despite the situation that these people are on this cruise ship. I think they were on their way to Barbados and the storm came and they have to turn back. But guys, look at the chaos, the trauma. You can imagine what these people are going through, and God was on time. Even isn't it marvelous? Isn't it great? Guys, look at the water. If it was for me and I am on that cruise ship, I don't know what I would do, but I would be terrified.